Nice. Nice.
So I just love being in the outdoors. When I'm in the outdoors, I just forget about everything else. I just feel free, I just feel strong.
The place has so many crags. There's literally a problem for everybody, and everybody can find their comfort climb over here, or discomfort climb.
Just a simple crack on a rock, and you're just like, I want to do this, I can do this. But to climb the route, to feel the essence of the route, and just give my 100% in it is why I do this.
Climbing gives you this immediate reward. Being strong makes me feel really confident, and this is why I love to push my climbing to the max.
Every boulder you fall off or you climb on, take away something from it, and that's your relationship with that boulder.
We definitely look for new lines, and then if we can climb that, we can name it. And when we give a name, it feels like मेरी line है, मैंने खोली है.
Either you do a problem, you finish it, and you're great, you're really happy about it, or you don't do it, and that helps you accept failure.
In life, I think everyone has an obstacle called fear. Once you cross your fear, then there is a, as you say, dar ke aage jeet. Something like that.
It's that realm you get into from initially thinking it's impossible and then making it possible. And then repeating that all over again.
Fitness is related to our body, and then body is somehow very much connected with our mind. When your body is really fit and healthy, then your mind becomes healthy.
Because once you do that, you know for a fact that there's nothing that can't be at least attempted upon, if not succeeded upon.
There's a lot of climbing out here. We're doing a little different climbing compared to what most of the people out here are doing. I do what's called traditional or trad climbing. This kind of climbing is the way people used to climb before.
This is the nice thing about trad climbing. You just find the line and go.
It's way more fun. It's like a project. Everything you look at is you have to think through it. You climb with equipment that you don't leave in the wall. It's also called free climbing.
Bouldering is also a teamwork. So without teamwork, you cannot climb a bigger boulders. If you team up, everything is achievable.
Sandeep Kumar Maiti, he's the guy.
Sandeep is no stranger to projecting.
For me, projecting is something very special and very important. So for this year in Suru, I had a couple of projects. Big Bang, which just behind me is one of them.
Yeah, I think Big Bang is special in that way because also it's quite a pure line. It seems like there's only one way to go.
It's completely new style of climbing. The moves are pretty new to me, and I always work on my comfort zone. But when I picked this project, I knew it needed lots of thinking and processing. I enjoy looking for something which is challenge me for it doesn't matter how many years it takes.
Sandeep is like my little brother. Yeah, I saw him when he was very little, but he was very strong.
Nice, nice.
So I felt very inspired when I saw him climb. Nice. Come on. Oh! My personal opinion, I think, is the strongest guy on rock that I've seen.
Jamie, I think we can call him the godfather now.
I mean, Jamie is the the dad of climbing in India, right? So he gets everyone psyched to come to Suru.
He's the person who'll make you enjoy outdoors, even if you're having a hard time, even if it's a hard day. He's the kind of person who'll pull you through that day.
Now, after all these years of climbing in different places, I realize this is something very special. We're trying to push a counterculture at the same time without the competitive sort of feel, you know, like it's just you come, you do your thing, you know, you meet people and you connect. And it's for a bigger cause, you know, like it's these boulders are going to be here forever, you know, like and people will come and climb them, eh?
Why Suru? I mean, why not Suru? I feel like a sheep today.